Hello dear Familienhaus friends. Today we want to talk about using time together as a family and building rituals into everyday life. Especially in the hectic of everyday life, it's not easy to take some time for your family. Between all the appointments, work, school and hobbies, you can quickly lose track and forget about family time. This time together is very valuable for the whole family. Child development is promoted and family cohesion is strengthened. Today we want to explore together how rituals can bring some structure to everyday life and enable family activities. Surely we all know rituals ourselves that we perhaps even unconsciously build into our everyday life. Some of you like to drink a cup of coffee or a tea to get started in the morning. Some children listen to a motivating song to brush their teeth to and let the time be shown by an hourglass. Still others have fixed days a week where they engage in certain activities. Maybe it's always a Saturday night, which is games night, with you and your children. All these small and large rituals are valuable for the whole family. Rituals are regular routines and give us security. They are important guides in everyday life and therefore give us security since the process is already known by children and parents. Rituals also give us a structure to our day. This way we know when we have to do something and also see when there is time for other things. A regular daily routine also promotes the independence of your children and at the same time sets certain rules and limits for them. It is important that you do not impose too strict prohibitions because exceptions also confirm the rule in everyday family life from time to time. Rituals have to be created together in most families. Babies in particular don't have their own rhythm in the first 3 months of living. From about 12 weeks, however, they slowly realize the transitions. This time is ideal to introduce first small rituals with your child. In addition, many rituals are created completely unconsciously. Getting up in the morning, having breakfast together, having a final check to see if all the important things are in the book bag or the guitar backpack, or the school folders. Even kissing goodbye. The youngest children still like to do this most of the time. All of these examples of small everyday life rituals can help structure the day thoroughly even more. These make the start of the day a lot easier at the same time and creates a we feeling, a feeling within the family. Of course, such procedures and rituals are always adapted to the age of your children. While infants may get a good night song sung in the evening, they can read to the toddlers and watch a TV series with teenagers. In addition, the younger children should have shorter rituals. Anything else can quickly overwhelm your child. Even though rituals are a beautiful thing, they should remain voluntarily and bring joy to everyone involved. Maybe there are 2 or 3 small rituals in everyday life that you can introduce to your child. For example, how about eating small meals together as a ritual, instead of your teenager eats alone in a room and you eat in a different room. Everyone has to eat, and in company it is even more fun. At the same time creates a fixed time in which you as a family talk about things together. At breakfast, maybe you can talk about the day ahead. What are all family members up to? What are they looking forward to? Are there any exams for the child that you can study together? At the dinner table, you can share your experiences of the day. At the beginning of eating a meal together, maybe someone can say a short prayer, or if you're not religious, a small saying just to be thankful for the day. It is also a pleasure to include your children in the meal plan. Maybe everyone in the family can choose their favorite dinner for the week, or you can agree as a family together which things you eat for the week. Especially after an exhausting week, you can maybe introduce a pajama Saturday or Sunday, where all you do is relax and wear pajamas together. And maybe even watch a movie. In addition to these daily or weekly rituals, there are also many things that you can do as a family on certain days of the year. For example, celebrating the birthdays of family members together is a classic example of this. But also the annual harvest of chestnuts in autumn can be something the whole family wants to do together. Sometimes there are also holidays that can be accompanied by traditions and rituals. So at the end of this holiday week, we ring in a long Easter weekend with a Good Friday. So your children are free on Monday, April 5th, and will not go back to school until Tuesday. In Christianity, this Easter feast serves as a remembrance of the resurgence of Jesus Christ. For many people, it is also a nice long weekend, which can be used for activities with the whole family. Maybe you'll use your free time to go for a walk, or especially on the meet-downs in the parks, you can look at wonderfully painted Easter bunnies or Easter eggs. They say the Easter bunny paints and hides the eggs. These are then searched by the children on the Easter Sunday. Since many eggs are needed for the children at Easter, it can also be a very nice ritual to paint them together. So get together as a family and dye eggs. This is possible with purchased or even with natural colors. Spinach, red beets, turmeric and black tea or coffee are very sustainable and can be used to color the eggs. Another idea is to bake together at Easter's feast. You can bake a cake that has the shape of a lamb. But also other sweet treats are certainly welcome with you or your children. Dear families, we wish you a pleasant time and a very happy Easter, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.